Imagine waking up to $1,350 in your bank account every single day without lifting a finger. Sounds unreal, right? But it's happening right now. In this video, I'm revealing the exact ChatGPT and Google Drive secret that's helping people like you make $1,350 a day and put in over $40,500 a month in 2025. This is how you can build passive income with SC using AI tools to scale your business effortlessly. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to start earning money online with ChatGPT for business and make it work for you. Hey, I'm Rishi and I help aspiring entrepreneurs and young professionals build passive income stream using AI and digital marketing. If you're looking to earn money online and take control of your financial future, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step AI to earnings workflow that is helping people make up to $40,500 a month in 2025. And the best part, you don't need coding skills or background in design, just a laptop, ChatGPT, and Google Drive. This method is perfect for anyone who wants to learn how to make money with AI without any complex setups or expensive tools. Whether you are just getting started or already have some experience, I walk you through how to use these powerful tools to create a steady stream of passive income. So here is how the magic happens step by step. First, we use ChatGPT for prompt generation. What does that mean? Well, we craft niche specific product ideas and compelling copy for your t-shirt designs. For example, if you are targeting fitness enthusiasts, ChatGPT can generate product descriptions, catchy slogans, and even niche ideas like yoga motivation or healthy lifestyle designs. Next, we move to the AI design creation stage. Using Leonardo AI or any similar AI design tool, you can generate high-quality digital t-shirts and print designs in seconds. These tools allow you to create eye-catching designs without needing to be a pro at graphic design. Finally, we use Google Drive for business automation. Once you have your designs, Google Drive steps in to streamline the process. We auto-organize all your files and set them up for easy delivery to customers, ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your buyers. No more manual uploads or dealing with file storage hassles. Meet Anna, a stay-at-home mom who turned her love for illustration into a $15,000 month business selling AI-generated sticker packs. She started with just a few simple designs and began listing them on Etsy as digital products. Fast forward a few months, and now she's earning a steady $15,000 every single month. She used Leonardo AI to create her designs and Google Drive to deliver the sticker packs to her customer instantly. Here is Mark, a college student who is making $25,000 per month by selling ChatGPT written ebook bundles. He figured out that students and aspiring entrepreneurs needed high-quality ebooks on topics like time management and productivity. So he used ChatGPT to write the ebooks and Google Drive to automate delivery. It's been a game changer for him, and now he's pulling in a steady income, all while studying full-time. The first step in this process is coming up with product ideas, and that is where ChatGPT shines. It's incredibly simple. All you need to do is ask ChatGPT to generate design concept for a specific niche. Show prompt template. For example, you can ask ChatGPT for ideas like, ChatGPT, give me 10 t-shirt design concepts for pet lovers, or ChatGPT, give me 10 t-shirt design concepts for yoga enthusiasts. Copy-paste the results into your document and select the ones you like best. Tip: ChatGPT is great for brainstorming and coming up with fresh, unique ideas that cater to specific audiences. Next, we move on to the design creation phase. Once you have your concept, it's time to turn them into real design using Leonardo AI or similar tool. Leonardo AI make this process effortless by turning text prompts into stunning visuals. Process: upload prompts. Take the selected design concept from ChatGPT and upload them into Leonardo AI. Example: create a minimalist design for a yoga team t-shirt with the quote, "Find your balance." Adjust style parameters. Choose a style, whether it's retro, modern, minimalist, etc. Play around with colors, shapes, and overall composition to match your niche. After generating your design, batch export them for easy access and editing. Tips for high conversion visuals: use contrast to make your design pop. High contrast colors catch the eye and are more likely. Keep design simple. Minimalist designs often convert better because they appeal to a broader audience. Once you have your design ready, it's time to organize and automate the delivery process with Google Drive. Google Drive makes it easy to store and share your digital products securely and automatically. Inside the folder, include your high-quality design files along with the readme.pdf that includes instructions and a thank you note for your customers. For easier customer access, use Google Drive's Make a Copy link method. This allows your customers to instantly download the files without any confusion or complications. Now that your designs are ready, it's time to get them on Etsy. Crafting the right listing title and description is crucial for making your products discoverable and attracting the right buyers. Include make keywords early. Your title should immediately tell potential customers what your product is and what they can expect. A great example would be AI t-shirt design, instant download. This title is clear and contains the most important keywords: AI t-shirt designs and instant download. Start your description by describing what your design is about and why it's perfect for your target audience. Be sure to mention that the product is an instant download to clarify the value for buyers who want immediate access. Incorporate additional keywords throughout the description, such as Etsy digital products and passive income with Etsy. Next, let's talk about tags. Etsy allows you to use 13 to 15 tags to help potential customers find your products. Using the right tags can dramatically improve your search rankings. Focus on relevant and high-volume search terms that align with your products. For example, earn money online, passive income with Etsy, Etsy digital products. Finally, let's talk about creating the perfect thumbnail and mockups for your listings. A clean and professional mockup can make all the difference in catching a potential buyer's eye. Thumbnail tips: use clean mockups. Make sure your design is displayed in a clean, professional way that highlights its unique features. Showcase the design on a simple background or use a model, if appropriate, to give it a context. Highlight instant download. Include a note on the mockup image that says instant download to reassure customers about the ease of access. Drive link in PDF. Once your Etsy listing is live and you start getting orders, it's time to automate the delivery process to make your life easier. The simplest way to do this is by embedding a Google Drive link directly into a PDF that customers can download immediately after purchase. Create a simple thank you PDF. In this PDF, include a click to download Drive URL. This link will direct customers to their purchase design files, allowing them to access their digital products instantly. This system works seamlessly for Etsy digital products, ensuring smooth, hassle-free transaction for your customers. One of the best features Etsy offers is the automated email response system. Once a customer completes their purchase, Etsy sends an email with a download link, automating the entire process and removing any manual effort on your part. How Etsy system works: Etsy automatically sends your PDF to customer once the purchase is made. You don't need to do anything manually, which saves time and keeps things running smoothly. This is especially important for scaling your business, as you won't want to worry about manually delivering products to each customer. Show an example of the automatic Etsy email customers receive with the thank you PDF attached. To increase your revenue, you can also use your PDF to suggest related products or bundles. This is a great way to boost the average order value and get your customers to buy more. At the end of your PDF, include a section with suggestions for related design or product bundles. For example, if a customer bought a fitness themed t-shirt, you could offer a bundle with other fitness designs or matching accessories. Upselling within your Etsy digital products is a smart, non-intrusive way to generate more sales without extra effort. Now that you have got your first designs up and are starting to see sales, it's time to scale. The key to hitting $40,500 per month is expanding your product line and diversifying your offerings. Don't limit yourself to just one category. Start by targeting multiple niches. For example, you can branch out into fitness, pets, and motivation, each with its own set of t-shirt designs and slogans. By tapping into different audiences, you will increase your chances of making consistent sales across various demographics. Bundles. Offer bundles of design, e.g., a set of 3 to 5 designs at a discounted rate. Bundles are a great way to increase your average order value and make your products more appealing. Single design sales. Keep a mix of single designs for customers who prefer more affordable options or just want one specific design. To really take your passive income to the next level, don't limit yourself to just Etsy. Replicate your listings on other platforms where people buy digital products. This strategy allows you to cast a wider net and reach more customers. Listing same designs on Redbubble, Gumroad, and Creative Market. Redbubble is a popular platform for print-on-demand products, and they have huge built-in customer base. Gumroad and Creative Market also offer great opportunities for selling digital products. You can upload the same design across multiple platforms, driving sales and passive income from various sources. As your business grows, you will find that managing everything on your own can become overwhelming. That is when it's time to consider outsourcing some tasks. Hire a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants can help manage ChatGPT prompts, upload new listings to Etsy, and even handle customer service tasks. This will allow you to focus on scaling your business and creating new designs while your VA handles the day-to-day operations. Example math. Let's break down the math. If you price your bundles at $15 and sell just 3,000 units in a month across all platforms, you are looking at $45,000 in sales. That is the power of scaling. By leveraging different niches, bundled products, and listening across multiple platforms, you can easily surpass $40,500 per month and even hit $45,000 or more. As you continue to scale your digital product business, here are a few important tips that will keep you on track for success. Don't settle on just one niche. Keep testing and experimenting with different niches to see which ones resonate with your audience. Whether it's fitness, pets, or motivation codes, there is always a new audience to tap into. By diversifying your offerings, you will increase your chances of success and reduce the risk of burnout in a single niche. The digital world is always evolving and trends change quickly. To stay relevant and keep your customers coming back, refresh your designs monthly. This doesn't mean you have to create new design from scratch every month, but updating your design with fresh trends and styles will keep your products in demand. Don't be afraid to ask your customers for feedback. You can send out simple surveys or look at customers' reviews to understand what's working and where you can improve. Their input can be invaluable in helping you fine-tune your designs and make your products even better. Now, let's talk about the common pitfalls to avoid as you grow your passive income business. Simplicity is key. Don't try to do everything manually or complicate your workflow with unnecessary steps. Tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and Google Drive are meant to simplify your process, so keep your workflow streamlined and efficient. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is not using the right keywords in your ST listings. Ignoring SEO will make it harder for your products to get discovered. Similarly, don't skip on your mockups. Clean, professional mockups can make a huge difference in your sales. Make sure your designs are presented in the best possible light to attract potential buyers. Ready to start your own AI-powered digital product empire and begin any passive income with Etsy? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more actionable tips. Drop a comment below with your niche idea and let's talk about how you plan to get started. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to smash that like button. Let's get this video to more people who need it. And hey, if you're already thinking about scaling and automating your business, you are in for a treat. Next week, I show you how to automate your entire workflow using Zapier for zero extra cost. Stay tuned because this is going to take your passive income to the next level, and you're welcome.